Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission starts acting weird. Harsh shifts, delayed response, or even stuck in one gear. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and boom! Code P0993 pops up. This code points to an issue with the shift solenoid J control circuit high, which can seriously affect your transmission's performance. In this video, I'll explain what P0993 means, where the important sensors are located, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0993? DTC P0993 stands for Shift Solenoid J Control Circuit High. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, manages shift solenoids which control hydraulic pressure for smooth gear changes. When this code appears, it means the voltage in the circuit for shift solenoid J is too high, leading to erratic shifting or transmission failure. Symptoms of P0993: harsh or delayed shifting, gear slipping or hesitation, transmission stuck in limp mode, check engine light or transmission, warning light, poor fuel economy. Sensor and component locations, very important. Shift solenoid, J location, inside the transmission valve body beneath the transmission fluid pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifting. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, typically found under the dashboard near the battery or mounted on the transmission case. Function, sends commands to the shift solenoids based on driving conditions. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, mounted on the side of the transmission case near the hydraulic lines. Function, monitors hydraulic pressure for proper gear shifts. What causes P0993? Faulty shift solenoid G, internal failure causing excessive voltage, damaged wiring or connectors, short circuits or corroded wires in the solenoid circuit, defective transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect voltage signals, low or contaminated transmission fluid, reducing hydraulic efficiency, faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, giving incorrect pressure readings. How to fix P0993? Step 1, check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Dirty or low fluid can affect solenoid function. Step 2, inspect wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, broken, or corroded wires in the solenoid circuit. Step 3, test shift solenoid, J. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. Replace the solenoid if readings are out of range. Step 4, check the TCM, transmission control module. Scan for additional transmission-related codes. If needed, reset, reprogram, or replace the TCM. Step 5, clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear P0993. Drive for 10–15 miles to ensure the issue is resolved. Drive for 10–15 miles to ensure the issue is resolved. Final words. If you see P0993, your shift solenoid J control circuit has high voltage, affecting transmission function. Fixing it early can prevent major transmission damage. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0853, Park Neutral Position Switch. Circuit low. P0854, Park Neutral Position Switch. Circuit high. This is IG Garage, your go-to place for car diagnostics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.